one after we get done here.
How many PD do you think are clocked in right about now?
Okay.
You're in 3?
Ooh,
There's
sorry,
two.
boys.
Alright, thanks for the ride, man.
Yeah, there's 2.
No problem.
I'll talk to you guys later. When you're in the mood to like buy something or you're looking for something, just hit me up, alright?
Sounds good,
Well,
boys.
Well, I'm gonna hop in your city. Less cops.
Take it easy, fellas.
We're going to get a fucking hostage right now.
Hey, you want to drop me off with a shot bus?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I have to delete all these outfits again.
We have to do what?
Nothing.
Mine don't save properly.
That thing doesn't turn worth shit.
If you have too many of them, they'll fucking mess up and overlap, and you know.
Even when I had like 2 or 3, they would always like I'd save one and it would be named a different one, or some of them would just like it'd load the same outfit for 3 different outfits I saved. It's always been bugged for me.
Alrighty, I've just gone through and got rid of a metric fuck ton of contacts in my phone.
Yeah, I'll probably just save it for the Harley. 120k.
Hey Booker, what's your phone number?
76371.
Insurance, please.
Alright, let's go grab a hostage.
Can you drop
What do
your
we need a
insurance?
hostage for?
Or do you want me-
We're good.
Say what?
For someone else in the truck. Are you even in 4?
Yeah.
Where you at, Booker?
Close door.
Which one?
One next to the Johnny's house. Or why do we need a hostage?
Doing a bank.
Do you want the cops to stay on the server? Because judging from Monty's stream, they're really pissed off at this guy for robbing this bank and shit.
Which guy robbing this bank and shit? What do you mean?
Junior. What I mean is, the cops are sick of fucking... Cops are sick of bank robberies right now. They're gonna get off after we do it.
We just go and rob people.
Something
I would just say rob people and fucking...
Go and close down money laundering.
What? Can't camp location, dude.
You can stay there for a
No.
little while.
It's a rule, is it?
Yeah, it's a rule where you can't camp location.
Yeah, you can be there for a little while, you just can't stay there for like a fucking hour.
Alright, I just gotta put it in my garage once, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Where am I meeting you at?
That's up to El Capitan.
That Lena girl is in the city. If you want to see if she's up for joining.
For what, sorry?
Lena, that girl, you know.
Heading
You
down
mean,
towards Grove Street at the moment, Spider.
Okay.
Cops are hanging out across the street from Legion right now.
You mean that guy that uses a voice changer?
What?
It's a guy, you know that, right?
What?
Lena is a dude, IRL.
Oh, wow.
Good voice changer, I know, right?
Oh shit. I haven't seen some of these clothes before.
At the driving school, Spider.
On the way.
We're on the move. We're going past the VU. Heading up past Weed Cell.
You heading west?
Heading north. Going past Legion Bank. Heading northbound up towards Pillbox.
Sound like a fucking cop. You know that, right?
Heading westbound towards Pillbox Upper. I mean, it's we've only got one of our boys which is trying to catch up with us, but that's fine.
Correction, caught up. I have a feeling that was Philip.
What?
Did someone just smack the shit out of you with a bike?
Yup.
No?
Scared the piss
Well,
out of
I'm
you
in
then.
the... I'm with Buckley in the tank.
You're just trying to
Do you
fuck up
think is
my
a wonderful thing, man?
MLG callouts, huh? You boys
You know what
with
else is
GTA
wonderful?
driving.
Those little balls they put in
Gonna
your
have to,
teeth,
report you
Boba.
now.
You mean testicles?
Never had a testicle in my teeth, but
Wouldn't be the first
to each their own.
and wouldn't be the last either.
I'm
We
pretty
heading
sure
to the
John
wash? Where are we going?
I know what we're doing.
I don't know, man.
Gosh.
A bike came at me
Pretty
like
sure
a fucking
John won.
bullet.
Yeah, I saw you guys and some crazy shit happened and I lost you.
Outside Legion Bank at the moment. Cop behind me, I'm getting pulled, I think.
Where are you?
Just come up to us, it's fine.
No, where are
Can-
you?
He's
Directly
right here,
behind.
dude. Right behind you and me. Now in front of me. Go up to where Buckley is. It's 2 cars back, we're fine. For right now, at least. Probably getting more.
Okay,
Yep.
break a red light. Wait, is he lighting us up?
No, but he's still on our ass.
Okay, pull over.
Yeah, he doesn't want us. He's gone. Legion Garage-ish area.
Yeah, I see that.
He's going over here. He might try to go to me. Trying to steal cars right now. If you guys can pick me up.
Where are you at?
Close store by Johnny's house.
Okay.
Oh,
Did
shit.
you just smack the shit out of his car?
2 cops.
Decent. It was the. God damn it! I didn't see you in my eyes. God damn it!
Get ready for anything, boys. One person go up
I
front.
literally did not see you guys in my eyes. That's my bad.
Two behind, one up front.
What the fuck? Okay then.
Alright, buddy, roll down the window for me. Come on.
It's
Let's go.
broken.
Go towards sidewalk. Get ready for
Yeah, the
pulling
window's
stuff.
broken in my eyes. Oh wow, okay, I see how it is. Okay, asshole, I gotcha. Yeah, we're playing it this way. I don't know if I should, asshole.
Just tell us when and we'll all pull guns.
Oh, you didn't even tell me to turn off the car. Great detective work there, officer.
Third car coming.
Alright, you wanna bet?
Or I'm on my
Yeah,
way.
we
Where you
doing
guys
this,
at?
motherfucker.
Alright, there we go.
Asshole's gonna be an asshole. We're gonna treat him like an
Let's
asshole.
go, boys. Ride out.
We're at.
Red car, garage.
Honk, honk. Sing chugs gas. Hey, you in it?
Brake checking right now.
I'm in a civilian SUV. I could T-bone him.
Yeah, sure. Dude.
Oh damn it! You guys turned. If you guys went straight, I could have easily T-boned him.
You could just brake check them.
This is kind of hilarious. 3 bikes, 2 cop cars.
I'm gonna be in an SUV behind you guys.
Black SUV, yeah. Booker, that's you, right?
Yeah.
No.
No, it's undercover
You go.
cop.
Well, hey, I don't know. I suggest you go up ahead of us so you don't plow us. What is this back cop doing?
He's keeping you guys off.
Bet. Let's just go for the first car then. I don't see why not.
Get your end slings ready.
Yeah, I already have mine ready.
I'm gonna see if I can T-bone him.
Just roadblock a cop.
Keep going, keep going.
Alright. Keep going straight.
Oh fuck, bro.
Nice.
Get up.
Nice.
You slow down the.
Alright, stop there. It's far enough.
Come on, run, bitch, run! I dare you. Come on.
Now he's backwards driving.
You wanna play this game? Who's the bitch now?
I wish I had a sawed off right now. Dang it.
Right?
Oh, coming for you.
Places
for you.
spike strips.
Coming for you.
You know what? I'm gonna pick up a sawed off.
Oh
Uh-oh.
shit, they're shooting. They're shooting.
Go, go, go.
Shoot
Wanna
back.
shoot back?
Shoot back. Shoot back.
Alright, boys, here we go. Oh my god.
Don't put the front on them, dude. Turn around.
Can't burn. I can't burn.
1 dead. 2 dead.
Cops get epically wrecked.
Are we sticking to see what they had or no?
Yeah.
I'm leaving.
Grab their shit.
I'll go
One's
after
still
second
alive.
cop.
One's still
Make
alive.
sure they're dead.
I'm going after second cop.
Go, go, go. Hurry up,
Yeah,
hurry up, hurry up.
I'm hurrying. I'm grabbing his block. All right. And I'm staying for the second one. Come on. Let's go. Move.
Alright, I lost track of second cop. Just gotta keep eyes peeled.
Yeah,
Go
you
into a
peeled
repair
south
shop.
into the ghetto.
Did we get
Yeah.
both cops in that car?
Mm-hmm. We didn't loot stuff. Oh shit. Hold on.
Let's go.
Wow, that was something.
I got out and started spraying my fucking air at him.
I just pulled up at the side and popped him twice in the head.
They shot
Here's
at
the
us
other
first.
cop, I think.
Yeah, I shot first.
bitch,
they
No,
made
no, that's a Tesla. Stop. Probably Malachite.
Hit the
Is that
repair
car
station.
behind us?
That wasn't
There's
a.
a cop behind us.
That was a Tesla, guys.
Who's shooting me?
We're being shot by that car right next to you.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, absolutely.
I didn't even. Okay, alright. Hold on.
What car is it?
The,
Ruiner 2000.
It's
Oh god, that's a truck. Oh, it's the hoodlums. Alright.
They're dying.
I can't.
Eh.
dude, locals are fucking everywhere. Guns are out.
Just get out of the hood,
Piggy.
because I'm like about to die here. Just
Go, get
drive
on your
out of the
bike.
hood.
Get on your bike.
Where's my.
Thinking
I don't
all
even know where it
good
is. Oh, I see it. Let's go. Yeah, take a. We're gonna have to dip
I
quick.
need a repair shop, man.
Oh, Jesus!
I need a repair shop.
I saw that. Oh my god.
There you go.
That Mercedes did.
Yes, the one closest PD. Let's go for it.